Welcome back to Spy Garage.
As a billionaire's ultimate toy, the fictitious 2025 Ducati high-class luxury motorhome is a bold move for the venerable Italian motorcycle manufacturer into the world of ultra-exclusive mobile dwelling. This imagined car would combine Ducati's well-known love of performance and beautiful design with the luxury and practicality needed for a premium motorhome, creating a one-of-a-kind and extremely sought-after possession for the wealthiest enthusiasts worldwide. The 2025 Ducati high-class luxury motorhome stands out from the outside thanks to a design language that discreetly but unmistakably references its Ducati heritage. One may anticipate a more sculpted and aerodynamic shape in contrast to conventional boxy motorhomes, possibly with design cues evoking Ducati's Superbike fairings or the aggressive attitude of its Diavel cruiser. High-performance automobiles are known for their carbon fiber embellishments, which might be thoughtfully incorporated for both aesthetic appeal and weight savings. The paint job would probably be completed to automotive concours standards, with Ducati's distinctive Rosso Corsa red accented with elegant black or metallic elements. The performance luxury look of the exterior would be completed with specially made, lightweight alloy wheels that might even be modeled by Ducati's wheel designs. Sleek and simple integrated lighting would add to the space's futuristic, high-tech look. Entering the Ducati high-class luxury motorhome would be like entering a world where cutting-edge technology and Italian craftsmanship coexist. A high-class luxury interior must include the best components, such as hand-stitched Alcantara and exquisite Italian leather, highly polished carbon fiber trim, and possibly accents of titanium or brushed aluminum. The arrangement would be carefully planned for maximum comfort and practicality. Anticipate a lavishly furnished living space with specially constructed, ergonomic furniture. Despite being small, the galley kitchen would have smart storage options and high-end, specially fitted appliances. With a cozy sleeping area, custom cabinets, and an en-suite bathroom with upscale fixtures and perhaps a multi-jet shower, the master suite would be a peaceful retreat. Every element would convey custom luxury, catered to the tastes of the owner. The billionaire's ultimate toy element would show itself in special features catered to the enthusiast outside of the living areas. A dedicated, climate-controlled garage that can safely store one or more Ducati motorcycles and be accessed from the living area via a glass barrier for display is one example of this. It may also incorporate an advanced onboard motorbike repair workshop with specialized tools and diagnostic equipment. The motorhome would be at the vanguard of technological progress. All vehicle operations, from multi-zone entertainment and sophisticated climate control to extensive security systems and smart navigation, would be managed by a highly user-friendly, integrated management system. Constant connectivity and situational awareness in any setting would be made possible by high-speed satellite internet, sophisticated communication systems, and maybe even drone docking capabilities for aerial reconnaissance. The RV would be supported by a specially developed chassis underneath, which would provide a very smooth and steady ride in spite of its size. Easy cruising would be ensured by the strong and quick powertrain, which would probably be a high-performance hybrid system or a potent, refined diesel. In addition to being a place to live, the 2025 Ducati high-class luxury motorhome would be a mobile declaration of luxury, passion, and the pinnacle of a discriminating person's way of life.